to my YouTube channel. It's me, Heal this side, and in today's video I'm gonna share my skincare routine with you people, and I am really excited for this video because, as you guys I think already know by the videos I've posted in my past, that I have been through some acne, and it wasn't easy to cope up with all that, and it was really hard for me mentally, physically, so I wanted to share a really simple yet affordable skincare routine so that you guys can also test it out, and what if it works out for your skin as well. Also, just a disclaimer, I also have super sensitive skin, and not all the products like in the market suit me, so it's like really rare if I am having a product or a skincare product that's suiting my skin. So the products I'm going to use in this video are going to be linked down below in the description box, and none of them are sponsored. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the very first step of I think any skincare routine is cleanser. The products I'm going to use in this video are samples, which I am using for the very first time because I don't order full size products like immediately. I like to first try it on my skin and then buy the full product size product if I genuinely like the product. It's like a really nice hack if you want to try out different things, and at the same time you will get to try it out, and it's also inexpensive. So I'm gonna be starting with my face routine with this cute cleanser. This is the Cetaphil skin cleanser. As you can see, this is the cleanser I've been using lately. I love it. It's for dry to normal sensitive skin, and as you guys already, as I said, I have sensitive skin, and this is the only thing which has been working for me. It is hydrating. I'm obsessed with this cleanser, and I'm definitely ordering the full size product because I love this so much. First things first, I'm going to start with my hair. I'm going to just tie up my hair into a ponytail because you can't do your skincare routine with your hair open. So first things first, I'm going to start with my cleanser. As I've already introduced you to my Cetaphil cleanser, I'm going to first wash my face. Alright, so I wet my skin, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of this cleanser. Also make sure that your hands are clean. Use a hand soap. I'm going to take a little bit of this product at the back of my hand, and use an adequate amount whenever you are using a cleanser. And then what you're going to do is just emulsify a little bit between your palms and your hands. I'm just going to go in with my cleanser in circular motions. Be really careful with the eye area, and I avoid my eye area. Of course, the forehead, really important. Another thing I like about this cleanser is that it is not foamy. So it's going to give you like a really cleansing balm kind of like a feel, like a really hydrating milk texture, which I really like, and that's the reason why it suits sensitive skin, because it is not going to make you red. That most of the products whenever I apply make me a little red. This is amazing. It doesn't make me red at all. I'm just going to do it for like about 30 seconds or so, and so that I can really seep into the skin. Don't forget the neck area, really important. It's been 1 minute, and now I'm just going to wash it off and see you guys. Well, I've washed my face. I'm just going to take a paper towel and just pat dry my skin. I'm just gonna pat my skin dry. Do not rub your skin, and I will also not recommend you using any like towels because they do get bacteria in them when they are like really wet. So I would really use whatever suits your skin the best. Alright, as I said that this is so hydrating, my skin doesn't even feel like really, you know how other cleansers and face washes like tend to really dry out your skin. This one is not going to do it. So this is just going to make your skin feel really soft and supple and glowing. Step after cleansing is toning. He is one of my favorite brands out there. Love the packaging, love the products that they are launching. So this is the UaQYgcY Skincare Watermelon Super Glow Pore Tightening Toner. I've been using it since a long time, and I love this. Again, I'm definitely ordering the full size product of this as well because I mean, look at this. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Alright, so the very easy direction to use a toner is that you just take it in your hands and just tap it on the skin. Now, some people like to use cotton pads, some people like to use, I think, cotton. Whenever I've used like cotton pads, they tend to really leave a residue on my skin, like small cotton residue. I like to use my hands. What I'm going to do is just take 2 splashes of this toner on my palm, and I'm just literally going to rub it and like tap it on my skin, like literally just tap it on the skin. Make sure to avoid the eye area, definitely. It literally smells so good and I'm obsessed with the scent of this. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes now since I've applied the toner. That's what I like to do. I like to let my skin breathe after every product and every step of my skincare routine. I like to let my skin breathe a little bit. That's how the product is really going to seep into the skin. Next step is of course going to be a moisturizer. I do not skip my moisturizer. Like, it is really important for you to apply a good moisturizer. This is the one I've been using lately. This is by the brand called Plum. It's a green tea oil-free moisturizer. It is also fragrance-free. As I say, I think any skincare is not supposed to have a fragrance or a really strong fragrance. And especially if you have sensitive skin, avoid using anything which contains fragrance or alcohol. So this one is alcohol free, fragrance free, and also contains green tea, which is amazing for your skin, definitely, especially if you have acne. So I'm just use a little bit of this moisturizer at the back of my finger. It's a liquid formula, so it is a little runny, but I'm just going to use it on my skin. It's like a really milky texture and I love it. Applying on all over my skin. Don't forget the neck, never. Skincare is also important for your neck area, so never forget the neck area. I'm just gonna tap it into the skin. I love how glowy my skin looks. Even though I have like a little bit of dark spots, my skin texture has improved so much. Let it dry. Right, now that my moisturizer is completely dried off on my skin, next step is going to be serum. So I have been using again this serum by UaQYgcY, and this is the cutest packaging you will ever see. This is also a sample. If you're looking forward to buy samples for any product you're wanting to try for a long time, I'm just going to link the app down below from where I have bought these samples. And this is the Cica plus 10% niacinamide spot reduction face serum with alpha arbutin. Ready to get shocked by how cute this is. Like, oh my god. Make sure you never touch the dropper to the skin. And I just like to massage it into the skin and just tap it into the skin. I'm done with my serum. It's been 5 to 10 minutes since I applied the serum now. And the very last step of my skincare routine, which is sunscreen. I do not skip my sunscreen. If you're a person who doesn't apply sunscreen, start applying sunscreen. This is the only sunscreen I use in the whole entire world. This is by the brand called UaQYgcY Sun Aqua, Dr. Reddy's UaQYgcY Sun Aqua water-based sunscreen. It was suggested to me by my dermatologist. So I just like to shake the bottle and I like to open it up. So this is how the packaging is like, because it is a liquid formula. And so there is a debate about how much sunscreen you are supposed to use on your skin. I personally, what I have been suggested to use is half a tablespoon something sunscreen. I think that's half a teaspoon. Now, how to measure half a teaspoon is just using your 2 fingers. What I'm going to do is just literally measure it with my 2 fingers. And I'm just going to tap it onto my skin, just like that. Really important. Put on more. And then I'm just gonna literally apply the sunscreen. It has helped me so much with my scars, and it gives you this glowy, dewy look, and it's super lightweight. It literally seeps into the skin like magic, and it looks good. It smells good. It is not a really strong fragrance, and I just love using this product on my skin. I just appreciate how glowy my skin looks. Like, this is amazing. And people, last but not least, I end up my routine with some lip care. This is the only lip care I use. This is Vaseline. I love using Vaseline. I've been using it since I was 5-6 years old, and I love Vaseline. I think this is the only lip care my mom ever introduced me to, and that's probably the reason why I still have the same pigment of my lips as I had when I was a child. So I think this is the only thing which works out for me. I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. My lips are hydrated. I like to end it with a little bit of a lip oil. This is the lip oil I use. It's by the brand called In Color, and it is a lip oil with VC yeast oil. Now, you might think that you've already applied Vaseline. Why are you applying a lip oil? I have a huge fetish of applying like a lot of lip products, and this has been working like wonders for my lips. Also, if you are someone who is struggling with pigmented lips, or you're getting a little darkness around your lips, because if you're a person who wears like a lot of makeup on a daily basis, sometimes what happens is like you get a little bit of darkness around your lips, or your lips start to get a little darker. So what you can do is start using lip oils, because they are really hydrating. I've literally emptied the whole bottle, and I'm definitely ordering this. Definitely, this is in the flavor tangerine orange something. To apply like a really thin layer of this, and so this is how my skin looks like. I am obsessed. This is the only skincare I've been doing. Alright people, that's that for the video. I loved making this video for you guys, and I hope you liked my skincare routine. This is acne friendly. Also, all of the products I have used in this video are going to be linked down below in my description box, just in case you want it, and just in case you want to try it out for yourself. The Cetaphil cleanser, I think it is a really overrated product already, but like it is amazing. It has worked wonders for my skin, and I'm loving the skincare routine. My skin is loving the skincare lately, and that's what I wanted to share with everybody out there. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite product that you've been using lately, and what is your go-to skincare routine. I would love to read them out. If you want to get updated every time I post a YouTube video on my channel, you can just click the bell icon down below, so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video on my channel. See you guys in my next upcoming YouTube video.